The car industry, after 100 years, is about to change like it's never changed before. We're doing something that is very special. Designing the first electric car for Jaguar is a huge privilege. And to be able to take that opportunity and turn it into something that is hugely exotic, hugely intriguing, very efficient, zero emissions, enormous amounts of modern technology, and bring it all into one package is a fantastic design opportunity. And it's certainly something I've always actually wanted to do, was to create a cab-forward, exotic, sporty SUV. Any good design can be described within 3 sketched lines. And in this car, the silhouette is one line, the way it emphasizes the short bonnet and that sweeping off roofline and top. And then the lines of the wings as they sweep through the car. Very exaggerated front wings to give the car some muscle and some power. And again, that sweeping line, the rear haunch over the rear wheel. The rear of the car is actually quite sheer, and the focal point is quite high up. And this is driven very much by the aerodynamics of the car. And of course, this gives us a very good drag coefficient of 0.29, which for an SUV is quite exceptional.
I think the electric powertrain for us was really fundamental to the way that we created the interior. It's very architectural, has a very simple dashboard. It's hugely spacious.
Well, one of the great advantages of an electric car is we don't have a transmission tunnel. And this just simply gives us the opportunity of more space in the car. You feel it across the back seat. You feel the walk-through is much more efficient.
When you sit in the interior, I think you'll get that huge adrenaline rush that you could feel in any Jaguar.
I think we've created something very special indeed here.
I dream of tomorrow. Think courageously. Further. Faster. Shaping the future. I am the BMW I Vision Dynamics. Together, we would change the world.